अरे राम दुहाई कैसे चक्कर में पड़ गया, हाय 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 कहाँ जान फसाई, मैं तो सूली पे चढ़ गया, हाय हाय कैसा सीधा साधा मैं कैसा बोला भला, कैसा सीधा साधा मैं कैसा भोला भाला, जाने कौन घड़ी में पड़ गया पढ़े लिखों से पाला, मीठी छुरी से हुआ हल्ला, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खुली जाए बंद अकल का ताला। उसकी बड़ी है धूम है ऐसी मन भावन, सब देखें उसको पलट पलट और घूम घूम, वो नगर नगर जाए डगर डगर और अंग अंग में ज्योति चमके जगर जगर, सुंदर बाला पलकों में लिए एक स्वप्न लोक, अधरों में लिए यौवन हाला, इठलाती है बल खाती है तन का चंदन, वो झलक झलक झलकाती है, वो नैन द्वार से तन में आके मन में ज्वाला जगाती है, वो चंद्रमुखी है, वो मृगनयनी है, वो मृगनयनी है, वो रूपवती है, वो मधुमती है, थिंता 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 एक कन्याकुमारी हमारी सूरत पे मर गई, हाय 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 एक मीठी कटारी हमरे दिल में उतर गई, हाय हाय कैसी गोरी गोरी और तीखी तीखी छरी वाला, चोरी कर गई हमरे दिल की चोरी, मिली छोरी तो हुआ निहार, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, खाई की पहन बनारस वाला, खुली जाए बंद अकल का ताला, खाई के पहन बनारस वाला, खुली जाए बंद अकल का ताला, फिर तो ऐसा करे धमाल सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल, छोरा 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 गंगा किनारे वाला, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला।
Let's applaud the student for such a graceful performance. Now,
सॉरी आगे जावे के
dance competition. Sonam Soni. Pratibha, third in solo dance competition. Hardik Babel, first in solo singing competition. Lakshya Sudhar, second in solo singing competition. Lakshya Sudhar. Christina Chano, first in English essay writing competition. Christina Chano. Atal Singh, third in English essay writing and third in Hindi Divas competition. Shivyanshi Singh, first in Hindi essay writing, second in Hindi Divas competition. Shivyanshi Singh. Kartik Singh, second in Hindi essay writing competition. Jainam Jain, third in Hindi essay writing competition. Rishika, first on solo dance competition. Rishika Bishnoi. Aradhya Soni, second in solo dance competition. What a coincidence. Aradhya Soni, daughter of Mr. Deepak Soni. Yogshri, third in solo dance competition and first in solo singing competition. Soumya, second in solo singing competition. Mansi, third in Hindi essay writing and third in Hindi Divas competition. Mansi. First in solo dance competition, third in solo singing competition, third in English essay writing competition. She has snatched 3 certificates and 3 medals from her school. Prachi Goswami,
हेलो
Prachi Goswami, second in solo dance competition, third in solo singing competition, and third in Hindi Divas competition. She has taken 3 certificates and 3 medals also. Bhagyashree Chanda, Bhagyashree Chanda, third in solo dance competition, second in solo singing competition, second in essay writing competition, first in Hindi Divas competition. She has snatched 4 certificates and 4 medals from her school. Sunidhi Tripathi, Sunidhi Tripathi, first in solo singing competition,
में हवा के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने आँखों में
Pranjal Sharma,
के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने
first in English essay writing competition and second in Hindi Divas competition.
खुशबू के ठिकाने बाहों में पर लगे उन सपनों के कदमों तले आसमां है
Rakesh Rawat, Rakesh Rawat, first in Hindi essay writing competition. Ayaz Sayed, second in Hindi essay writing competition. Ayaz. From class 10, Sonia Chaudhary. Sonia Chaudhary, first in Hindi essay writing competition.
में हवा के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने आँखों में हवा के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने आँखों में चुटकी में उजाले बांधे खुशबू के ठिकाने बाहों में
Thanks a lot, sir, for engaging our students.
कदमों तले
Prachi Goswami, Bhumika Pancharya, she has won bronze in the weightlifting tournament. Dheeraj Paliwal, Dheeraj Paliwal got gold in again weightlifting tournament.
में हवा के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने आँखों में
Naitik Vyas from class 9, he has also captured gold in the weightlifting tournament. Naitik Vyas,
उजाले बांधे खुशबू के ठिकाने
Kavyans Goswami,
पर लगे उन सपनों के
Kavyans Goswami, he has also captured gold in school weightlifting tournament 2024. Kavyans. In badminton district level tournament, under 14 girls, Anjali Rawat, Aradhya Soni, Anjali Rawat, she had captured again gold in badminton district level tournament. Again Aradhya Soni, she has got gold medal in the badminton district level tournament. Anushka Sharma, Anushka from class 8, Mansi Singh from class 8, they both have captured gold in the same badminton district level tournament under 14 girls. Mansi Singh.
पर लगे उन सपनों के कदमों तले आसमां है
Badminton state level tournament under 17 girls. Sunidhi Tripathi. Sunidhi Tripathi. Vineet Tawar. Badminton under 17 boys. Vineet Tawar.
में हवा के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने
Badminton under 17 boys. Mohit Tawar.
में हवा के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने आंखों में
State level tournament badminton under 17 boys. Navneet Tanvi.
ठिकाने
Rakesh Rawat.
पर लगे उन सपनों के कदमों तले आसमां है
Rakesh Rawat. Vaibhav Vardhan under 17 boys. State level cycling competition. Vaibhav Vardhan. Karate under 17 state level Rishika Bishnoi. She had got gold prize there in state level. Rishika Bishnoi.
में हवा के झोंके
Vedika Gehlot
ख्वाबों की उड़ाने
class 8
आंखों में
under 17 girls.
में हवा के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने आंखों में
Again Vedika Gehlot in karate. She had been to Delhi.
के ठिकाने बाहों में पर लगे उन सब
Vedika Gehlot, Rishika Bishnoi, Monica Bishnoi, Kushagra Mewada.
है आसमां
I repeat, Vedika Gehlot, Rishika Bishnoi, Monica Bishnoi, Kushagra Mewada. They are all karate players.
में हवा के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने आंखों में
Thank you, sir, for encouraging our students. We have only few students here. Encourage them with exercise. They had won the cricket tournament in their school. If These are the girls cricket team.
हवा के झोंके ख्वाबों की उड़ाने आँखों में खुशबू के ठिकाने
Kabaddi winners, boys team. Come on.
अशोक जी हो एक हूँ
Nagesh Rawat and Sean Chanda. First prize in badminton inter-house competition.
चाहे को हमारे घर वालों से
बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क सली चटक मटक फटक सली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क सली चटक मटक फटक सली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क सली चटक मटक फटक सली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली
I request Emerald House captain to say few words. Miss Avisha ma'am. Thank you sir for encouraging our students. Thank you Himsa sir.
Hello. Thank you so much. Myself Avisha Yadav and I am captain of Emerald House. This credit goes to all my students and all my house members. Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure and privilege to present vote of thanks on behalf of my school. I am proud of being a part of such a great school. I extend my gratitude towards the guests who have given their lovely presence here. I also thank all the audience for their support. I also thank Principal Sir and Himsaji Sir for their encouragement and support. Last but not the least, all the staff members and all the students who have done so great. They were so helpful in supporting in this event. Special thanks goes to Avisha ma'am and Priyanka Paul ma'am for making students perform such beautiful dances. It's obviously not that easy कि सबको आप सिखाओ from nursery to 10th. It takes a lot of patience, a lot of hard work. So kudos to you ma'am, and special thanks to Gajendra sir and Ashish sir for handling all the sound system and for such musical performances. And the real stars of today's event, all the students, we are all so proud of you, especially class 9. Literally they were everywhere. They were doing dance, they were doing anchoring, they were doing musical performances, they were doing everything, the volunteering work and everything. So thank you once again, Jai Jilendra.